Class 6, Subject English, Unit 2.6, Advise Customers. Children, you must have seen ads, that is advertisements, on television and in many other places. Advertisements are given by owners of different companies to tell people about their products. Their aim is to make people buy those products. So advertisements are given by owners of different companies to tell people about their products and to make people buy those products. Advertisements are designed or made in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. Don't you also get impressed when you see certain advertisements about chocolates, about chips, about certain energy drink? We get impressed when we see those advertisements and we feel like buying the product. So people also are impressed when they see the advertisements and they feel like buying the product. And that is what the owners want, so that there is sale of that commodity, there is sale of that product, and there is profit. But is the advice in the advertisements always good for you? Children, you must think about it carefully. You must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy, how much to buy, and what not to buy. We see many types of chips, wafers, and other snacks in the market. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. Look at the pictures below. They are all pouches or packets of chips and wafers, and they are available in the market. And we get attracted by these packets or pouches. The snacks or these snacks are usually fried foods that contain a lot of salt and spices. They are very good to taste, but not so good for your health if you eat them all the time. So remember, children, these snacks are fried. They contain a lot of salt and spices. They may be very tasty to eat, but not good for our health if we eat them every time. Children, we just learned that chips and wafers are fried food that contain a lot of salt and spices. They are good to taste, but they are not good for our health if we eat them all the time. So as growing children, we need to eat a balanced and nourishing diet that includes different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, and milk. You see the picture of the balanced diet? So as growing children, we need to eat a balanced diet and not binge on chips and wafers, which may be good to taste but not healthy food. Children, look at this picture. What the ad says. Feeling happy, crispy, crunchy. Feeling sad, crispy, crunchy. Feeling tired, crispy, crunchy. Lost the match, crispy, crunchy. Won the match, crispy, crunchy. Day and night, crispy, crunchy. Now and then, crispy, crunchy. For you and me, crispy, crunchy. Every time, crispy, crunchy. Only for ₹5. Get one pack free on 5. Let's discuss the following questions. What does the ad tell you? The ad tells us that we can eat crispy crunchy at all times. It costs only ₹5 and we can get one pack free on 5. How many times is the name crispy crunchy repeated in the ad? Why? It is repeated 9 times in order to make us remember it properly and in order that we remember the name and buy the product. What would happen if you never ate crispy crunchy? What would happen, children? Nothing. It is not important. It is not necessary to eat crispy crunchy. It is not necessary to eat chips and wafers. They may taste good, but it is not healthy. What would happen if you ate proper meals like rice and dal or dal roti? What would happen? Children, by eating proper meals like rice, dal or dal roti, we will grow healthy and strong. What would happen if you never ate fruits and vegetables? We would grow weak and unhealthy, and we will not get the required nutrients. So this advertisement on crispy crunchy is misleading. The advice given in the ad is not good for us. The advice that we have to eat crispy crunchy at any time, now and then, day and night, it is misleading. We know that eating chips or wafers is not good. It contains lot of salts and preservatives. Children, here's another picture of an advertisement. What the ad says: Didi, Didi, look at this, my new dress for the party. Where's yours? No party for me. Bitya Rani, tap, tap, tap. My new shoes for the party. Where are yours? No party for me. Bitya Rani, ting, ting, ting. Choose new bangles for the party. No party for me. What's the matter? Why are you sad? My skin is so dark. I feel so bad. No party for me. Is that all? Don't worry. Solve your problem with Hema Gauri. 5 days to fairness. Hema Gauri will make your skin shine. Be fair as a fairy with Hema Gauri. Rupees 10 off on every 100-gram tube or bottle. Hurry, offer closes on 1st April. So children, this is an advertisement for Fairness Cream. Look at this advertisement and think, that is being fair beautiful and dark skin is not beautiful? Children, think and reflect on this ad. What message does this ad give you? Children, we seen an advertisement which stresses on the use of a fairness cream to make your skin shine and be fair as a fairy within 5 days. Do you think that being fair is beautiful and dark skin is not? The color of our skin has nothing to do with our beauty. What is more important is to be healthy, neat and tidy. If we want people to like our looks, we need to be healthy, neat and tidy. We should eat well, exercise well, sleep well and drink enough water to get a healthy, glowing skin. Children, we must never feel bad about the color of our skin or about our natural looks. We have to be proud of the way we look. We have to be proud about the color of our skin. We know that God has created us in His own image and likeness. So we have to love ourselves. We have to love the way we look. Also, we have to be very careful when we try using any fairness creams. The fairness cream can make us fair, maybe slightly. The effect of the cream may last just for a few days, but it cannot guarantee us that it is going to make us fair completely. We must be very careful when we use fairness creams because some of them have side effects. They can harm our skin. What is more important is being healthy, neat, and tidy. Exercising well, sleeping well, drinking enough water in order to get a healthy, glowing skin.